A 3-day training workshop is started at International Standard University to enhance the professional skill of the faculty members. Honourable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Abdul Awal Khan, inaugurated the workshop organized by the Institutional Quality Assurance Cell at the Mohakhali campus of the university. Ahmed Alam, IQAC Director of International Standard University, presided over the meeting. H.T.M Quader Newaz, Treasurer in Charge, delivered his speech as the special guest. IQAC Additional Director, Mr. Lutfor Rahman, was the moderator of the workshop. Chairmen of different departments, faculty members, and administrative officers were also present. Speakers in the workshop emphasized that to be a good teacher, one must be a good human being first. They reiterated the importance of training for the development of teachers' quality, along with improving teacher-student relationship by increasing effective communication between them.